To you, it's a frustration. To me, it's a victory.
Mima versus Mema? Sumagot na si Sasa Girl sa tugmang preso ni Looney. Kala nyo, hindi ko kayo gagambalain ngayong Pasko. Iba dyan, tumutulo pa yung sausaw ng sa galing sa lumpiang Shanghai. Ang gugulo tayo ngayon. Kamakailan naglabas ng bagong music video si Looney, isang kilalang artist, at rumesponde si Sasa Girl, isang content creator sa TikTok na naging artist na din. At mag-uusapan natin tatlong tema ang nailathala na may amats na Maria. Ating alamin.
Tinan nila yung kantang amat dahil sa tema, pero Maria Hiwaga ni Sasa, walang problema.
Hi, so gusto ko lamang mag-react dito sa kantang to ni Sir Looney na may mention sa kanta kong Maria Hiwaga. Sir Looney, naiintindihan ko po kayo. I get it. Naiintindihan ko po yung frustration ninyo at ang gusto nyo pong sabihin dito sa kantang to. Na bakit nga naman pagbabawalan yung kantang amats? Ba't isi-censor yung kantang amats? Eh samantalang,
Never maganda ang
form
censorship.
to ng art.
Yes.
Form to ng
Sining!
music. And for a fact, na ang art naman ay dapat malaya, ang sining ay dapat malaya.
Maria,
So nagigets
malaya.
ko yung frustration na bakit isi-censor, samantalang nagra-rap lang naman kami, nag-express lang naman kami, kumakanta lang kami. Sino kayo para i-censor yung art namin? At nagigets ko yun, kasi trans ako. At for the longest time, ang daming pinagbawal sa amin. Bawal kami ikasal, and that's a form of censorship to our community. So nagigets ko po kung bakit kayo frustrated. Ang hindi ko po nagigets is bakit misdirected sa akin yung frustration.
Bakit siya
Na
misdirect?
bakit yung kanya pinagbawalan yung akin hindi.
Tama
To you,
naman.
it's a frustration. To me, it's a victory. Na for the
Yes.
longest time, I get to do something for the first time sa space na sinabi sa akin na, that's not for you, girl. And matagal na naming related to for the longest time. So I won't
But-
let a man take a success of a woman like me. And ang pinaka-point ko dito is why not us artists, as a community, i-direct natin yung energy and frustration towards sa sistema mapang-api sa
Munti
simula.
ka na eh.
Yun lang po, and thank you, and Merry Christmas.
Merry
everyone.
Christmas din, Sasa Girl.
First, I would like to thank and credit Paul for this video, and I have no intention of plagiarizing and discrediting him or the video. So basically, two people known from their own work, Sasa Girl from its TikTok turning into an artist, and the famous legend rap star Looney creating an issue talking about censorship. I'm guessing this is all that happened. Basically, Looney got frustrated on how he got treated. How his music video called Amats got banned due to its theme, while on the other hand, Sasa Girl's music video called Maria Hiwaga did not get banned or close to getting banned whatsoever. Even though lots of the specific narcotic, FYI, the reason why Looney got banned, being exposed multiple times in the Sasa Girl's music video, I really understand the frustration of Looney on how he got banned while expressing his art while others are fine doing it. It feels like some hatred going on in the industry or whatsoever. I don't know. On the other hand, Sasa's response is almost perfect until she got to the part of sexual/gender orientation, which is not the main point of Looney's call out. But I understand that the LGBT community has a lot of backlash and gatekeep with so many things. So maybe this is the reason why she answered like that. I think it was an answer based on her previous experiences as a part of the LGBT community. Now, I think that both artists were not in the wrong here. I think the one should be doing the explaining is the industry itself, the music industry here in the Philippines. Because both of their contents are similar. The only difference is the one is nowhere to be found. I completely understand both sides' frustrations. I guess none of that would have happened if there's nothing wrong in the industry to begin with. That's all.